Hello, third graders. Here is your second math assignment for the week. It is another logic link, your favorite. All right, just a few pointers. Remember, when you go into add response, you do have to click right away on this little hand pointer. Otherwise, you won't be able to move the shapes. So just make sure to click on the hand pointer once you click into add response. So you have 6 more slides to complete. And then I do want you to tell me, all right, are they getting easier or is it still really hard? Okay, and then tell me, did you have to ask mom and dad for help, or did you do just a little bit of help, or you did it all by yourself this time? Okay, be honest. Doesn't matter to me. I just want to know how you're doing on these. All right. Don't forget to click the green check mark when you're done. Remember, you can work on a slide or two at a time and then take a break. You don't have to do all 6 slides in one sitting. Okay, you have those 3 online days. So don't stress yourself out doing all 6 slides on one day. All right, once you have all of the shapes in the 6 circles, make sure to read the directions again too. That will really help to make sure you have them correct. All right, good luck. Can't wait to see your answers.